Hi there, and thanks for joining me. My name is Kathleen Rannick. I am the product manager for our walls and doors portfolio here at Altro. And today I want to talk to you about an exciting new addition to our Altro Whiterock range, the Altro Whiterock Imagination Wall. Now, do you remember how much fun you had as a kid coloring in princesses or pirates or maybe animals? I remember spending hours at our kitchen table choosing just the right blue for my sky or finding the perfect red for my tulips. It's a very well-known fact that coloring not only stimulates creativity in children, it also improves motor skills, it's therapeutic, and it relieves stress. Now take a kid's traditional coloring book and attach it to the wall. Now that's really the concept of our new imagination wall. But not only allows it children to color to the heart's content, if they don't like it, they can just wipe it off and start from scratch. The Altro Whiterock Imagination Wall will keep kids entertained and their minds occupied in potentially stressful or boring situations such as waiting rooms, or stimulates them, for example, in nurseries. Our imagination wall uses our proven high-performance Altro Whiterock material, which is renowned for its hygienic and technical benefits. It provides children with a low-maintenance, creative outlet while simultaneously protecting walls from scuffs and bumps. The Altro Whiterock Imagination Wall is available in 6 creative scenes that feature a smooth, dry erase gloss coloring surface for repeated use. Each design is 1.22 meters wide, 0.91 meters tall, and 2.5 millimeters thick. Our imagination wall can be used with any dry erase marker, and it can easily be cleaned with a soft cloth, water, and diluted household detergents. For stubborn stains, we recommend diluted Ultra Clean 44. Whether it's hospitals, nurseries, waiting rooms, or activity centers, the Altro Whiterock Imagination Wall can be installed as a standalone product or as part of a larger Altro Whiterock installation. It's the ideal add-on for any of our product ranges, from Altro Whiterock Satins to Altro Whiterock Chameleon, Altro Whiterock Wall Designs, or Altro Whiterock DigiClad. And following our recommended installation instructions, our imagination wall will form part of a homogeneous system. So, get ready for endless hours of coloring fun.